the next new class and the next new session of equation reducible to separable form. Here we are discussing equations of the form dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus l divided by k into ax plus by plus n. Okay, let us start. Equations reducible to separable form. Type 2. Equations of the form dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus l whole divided by k into ax plus by plus m. Okay. Putting it as equation number 1. Okay. Putting ax plus by equal to u. Equation 1 can be converted into separable equation. Okay. Putting ax plus by equal to u, then equation 1 can be converted into separable equation. Here, the given differential equation dy by dx is equal to y minus x divided by y minus x minus 1. It is of the form dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus l divided by k into ax plus by plus m. Okay. Now we put y minus x is equal to u. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get du by dx equal to dy by dx minus derivative of x is 1. Okay. From this we can write dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to, we can write du by dx plus 1. In this equation we put y minus x is equal to u and dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus 1. That is, here we put du by dx plus 1. That is equal to. Okay. Here y minus x we put u divided by u minus 1. Okay. Next we take 1 on right hand side. We get du by dx equal to u by u minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Taking LCM we get u minus of u minus 1 divided by u minus 1. That is equal to, we get u minus u plus 1 divided by u minus 1. U get cancelled. We get 1 divided by u minus 1. Now we get du by dx is equal to 1 by u minus 1. That is, du by dx equal to 1 divided by u minus 1. Okay. Next we can write u minus 1 into du equal to dx. Now it becomes separable differential equation. Then integrate both sides. We get the required solution. That is, integral of u minus 1 du equal to integral of dx. That implies we get, here integral of u is u square divided by 2 minus integral of 1 du is u. That is equal to integral of dx is x plus c. Clear? That is u square divided by 2 minus u minus x is equal to c. Okay. Then put the value of u here. We know that u is equal to y minus x. Then here y minus x whole square by 2 minus of y minus x is equal to c. That is y minus x whole square by 2 minus y plus x is equal to c. Then here x get cancelled. Okay. Now we get y minus x whole square by 2 minus y equal to c. Okay. Then y minus x whole square minus 2y divided by 2 equal to c. Okay. Then write y minus x whole square minus 2y equal to 2c. Okay. That is, we represent 2c as another constant k. That is y minus x whole square minus 2y equal to k. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Clear? Next problem is solve the differential equation 2x minus 4y plus 5 into y dash plus x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Once more, solve the differential equation 2x minus 4y plus 5 into y dash plus x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. First we represent this equation into dy by dx is equal to f of xy form. That is, here we can write it as 2x minus 4y plus 5 into y dash equal to minus of x minus 2y plus 3. Okay, then y dash is equal to, we can write negative of x minus 2y plus 3 divided by 2x minus 4y plus 5. Okay, that is, we can write y dash as dy by dx is equal to minus of x minus 2y plus 3 divided by 2x minus 4y plus 5. Now we can write it as dy by dx equal to minus of x minus 2y, okay, plus 3 divided by, here we can take 2 outside, 2 into x minus 2y, okay, plus 5. This equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus L divided by k into ax plus by plus m. Now we put x minus 2y equal to u. X minus 2y equal to u. Okay, then differentiate both sides. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get here dx by dx is 1. Then minus 2 into derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay, that is equal to derivative of u is du by dx. Clear? From this we can write 1 minus du by dx equal to 2 into dy by dx. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus du by dx. Okay, putting it as equation number 1. Okay, substitute the value of x minus 2y as u and dy by dx as 1 by 2 into 1 minus du by dx. Okay, x minus 2y as u and dy by dx as 1 by 2 into 1 minus du by dx. Then we get, then equation 1 becomes 1 by 2 into 1 minus du by dx. Okay, that is equal to minus, here x minus 2y is u plus 3 divided by, we can write 2u plus 5. Okay, take this 2 on right hand side, we get 1 minus du divided by dx equal to minus of 2 into u plus 3 divided by 2u plus 5. That is equal to, we can write minus 2 into u, 2u plus 6 divided by 2u plus 5. Okay. Now we get 1 minus du by dx is equal to minus of 2u plus 6 divided by 2u plus 5. Okay. Then taking this into left hand side, we get 1 plus 2u plus 6 divided by 2u plus 5. That is equal to du divided by dx. Okay. Now we get du by dx is equal to 1 plus 2u plus 6 divided by 2u plus 5. Cross multiply, we get 2u plus 5 plus 2u plus 6 divided by 2u plus 5. Okay. That is equal to, here 2u plus 2u is 4u plus 6 plus 5 is 11 divided by 2u plus 5. Now we get du by dx equal to 4u plus 11 divided by 2u plus 5. Okay. Now cross multiply, we get 2u plus 5 divided by 4u plus 11 into du, okay, equal to dx. Now we write this function as 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 4u plus 11, okay, into du equal to dx. Taking 2 on other side, we get 1 minus 1 by 4u plus 11, okay, into du is equal to 2 dx. Now integrate both sides. We get the required solution. Now integral of 1 minus 1 by 4u plus 11 du equal to 2 into integral dx. Okay. Integrate 1 into du. We get u. Okay. Minus integral of 1 by 4u plus 11. That is 1 by 4 into log mod 4u plus 11. Okay. That is equal to 2 into integral dx is x plus c. We know that u is equal to x minus 2y. Putting the value, we get x minus 2y, okay, minus 1 by 4 into log of mod 4 into x minus 2y, okay, plus 11 equal to 2x plus c. Now taking 2x into left hand side, we get here x minus 2x, that is minus x. Minus x minus 2y minus 1 by 4 into log mod of, here 4 into x, 4x, minus 4 into 2y, 8y plus 11. Okay, that is equal to c. Now taking negative outside, we get negative of x plus 2y plus 1 by 4 log mod 4x minus 8y plus 11 equal to c. Okay. Next we write x plus 2y plus 1 by 4 into log mod 4x minus 8y plus 11. Okay. Equal to minus c. Cross multiply with 4. We get 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 2y, 8y plus log of 4x minus 8y plus 11 whole divided by 4 equal to minus c. Okay. Now we can write 4x plus 8y plus log mod 4x minus 8y plus 11 equal to minus 4c. Take minus 4c as another constant, that is k. Okay. Now we can write 4x plus 8y plus log mod 4x minus 8y plus 11 equal to k. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. Okay. Clear?